Those who are interested in Fiat automobiles can now get their hands on the 2025 124 Spider, a sporty roadster that has a vintage appearance and all of the most up-to-date amenities. Having been absent for a considerable amount of time, Fiat has produced the third generation of this renowned automobile. It is possible for the 2025 Fiat 124 Spider to have its own distinct personality, despite the fact that it shares a chassis with the Mazda MX-5. All of the components that contribute to the high level of safety that this most modern model possesses include adaptive automated braking, cruise control, and a multitude of sensors. The 2025 Fiat 124 Spider is a design that combines elements of both traditional and modern styles. This automobile's tremendous grille has the capability of displaying the logo in either a vertical or horizontal orientation. You might want to think about adding chrome or black accents for a more sophisticated look. Despite the fact that aggressive and current LED headlights with DRL choices are all the rage, the 124 Spider is evoked by the elegant lines of this vehicle. In addition to having a low profile, the convertible roof can be either a hardtop or a large hood, which contributes to the design's sporty and aerodynamic qualities. The aggression of the automobile is highlighted by its dual or large exhausts, which are accompanied by LED taillights and a rear bumper that is either black or chrome in color. It is reasonable to anticipate that the 2025 Fiat 124 Spider will be a vehicle that is both swift and economical. There is a high probability that the vehicle's motor is a turbocharged inline-four that is both efficient and speedy. Because of their high revolutions per minute (RPM) and strong torque at low RPM, these 1.4 to 2.0-liter engines are highly coveted for people who are passionate about roadster racing. Those who are passionate about sports cars are sure to be pleased with the 2025 Fiat 124 Spider because of the way it combines cutting-edge technology with a classic design aesthetic.